Welcome to this Microsoft Word tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to create and format your very first document using Microsoft Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate the interface, type and edit text, and apply formatting to make your document look professional. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word. When Word launches, you'll see the Word homepage, where you can choose to create a new document. On this screen, you'll find options such as blank document and various templates that can help you get started quickly. To create a new document, click on Blank Document. This will open a fresh workspace where you can type and format text. Before we begin typing, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find all the tools you need, organized in a tab such as Home, Insert, and Layout. To begin, click your cursor anywhere on the blank page and start typing. For this example, let's create a simple invitation for an event. Type the title, Annual Company Gathering, at the top of the page. Press the Enter key to move to the next line, and then type the details of the event, such as the date, time, and location. Now that we've added some text, let's format it to make it stand out. Highlight the title by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Once highlighted, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and locate the font group. Here, you can change the font style, size, and color. Let's choose a font like Arial. Set the size to 24 and make it bold. To do this, click the drop-down arrow in the font box, select Arial, and then adjust the size in the font size box. Finally, click the B icon to make the text bold. Next, let's center the title. With the title still selected, go back to the Home tab and find the paragraph group. Click the center alignment icon. This will move the title to the middle of the page, giving it a balanced appearance. For the details of the event, we'll format them differently. Highlight the event details text and change the font to Calibri. Set the size to 12 and apply italics for a more subtle look. Again, you can find all these options in the Home tab. To add a bit of style to the document, let's insert a horizontal line beneath the title. Place your cursor below the title, then go to the Insert tab and select Shapes. Choose the Line tool and draw a straight line across the page. You can adjust its position and color by selecting the line and using the format options that appear. Finally, let's save the document. Go to the File tab, click Save As, and choose a location on your computer. Give your file a meaningful name, such as Event Invitation, and click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully created and formatted your first document in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.